like I said, good teams find a way to win, and for that to happen, you can't rely on 2, 3, 4 guys every night to score. You know, your back end has to score, and your goalies have to play great, and guys have to step up, and that's how you win. That's how you win a lot of games, and that's what we're doing right now.
You probably mentioned this already, but just as far as scoring was one thing, but everything you've gone through injury-wise in the past year or two, is it that much?
Yeah, I mean, I still don't feel 100% out there. I mean, body-wise, I'm 100%, but mentally getting back into the game, missing almost 14 months, that's hard, and I'm still getting back into the swing of things. So this is it's nice. It's nice to get rewarded because it's been a long